Most people get this wrong and assume Amazon gift cards cannot be used for Prime. But here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, you absolutely can use Amazon gift cards for Prime, but only under the right conditions. In this video, you'll learn exactly how Amazon gift cards work with Prime membership, what they can and cannot pay for, and the simple steps to use them without errors. Let's start immediately. Yes, Amazon gift cards can be used to pay for Amazon Prime membership. But here's where it gets interesting. The gift card does not directly activate Prime. Instead, it adds balance to your Amazon account. Then Amazon automatically uses that balance to charge your Prime subscription. So if Alex adds a $50 gift card, and Prime costs $14.99 per month, Amazon will simply deduct the Prime fee from that balance each billing cycle. Now here's the important part most people miss. This only works if your Amazon account is set up correctly with a valid payment method. Even if you have gift card balance, Amazon may still ask for a backup card for subscription verification. But here's the problem many users face. They expect the gift card to directly show as Prime payment method. That does not happen. Gift cards only convert into account balance, and Amazon handles the rest automatically. Let's go step by step so you can set it up correctly. First, redeem your Amazon gift card. Go to Gift Card and Reload section and enter your code. Once applied, you will see the balance in your account. Next, go to Prime Membership Settings. Select Start Membership, or Manage Prime. When you proceed, Amazon will automatically use your available gift card balance first before charging any other payment method. Now, here's where it gets interesting. If your gift card balance is not enough for a full billing cycle, Amazon will split the payment. It uses your gift card first, then charges the remaining amount from your card or bank account. Also, if Jake is using a free trial, Amazon will not use gift card balance until the trial ends. This confuses many users because they think the balance is not working, but it is simply waiting in the system. One more important detail. In some regions, Amazon does not allow gift cards to cover recurring subscriptions fully. In that case, you still need a backup payment method even if you have enough balance. So let's summarize clearly. Amazon gift cards can be used for Prime, but they work as account credit, not direct subscription payments. Once redeemed, Amazon automatically deducts Prime fees from your balance. If this helped clear things up, like the video, comment your question, and subscribe for more simple Amazon guides in 2026.